lights or a shining tree. He is the divine Savior, setting our spirits free. Beyond the shimmering ornaments and fleeting cheer, He is the everlasting God, always near.
This season calls for more than joy in fleeting things. It's a sacred moment when salvation's voice rings.
Rejoice, for the King has come into our night, bringing hope, love, and eternal light.
Remember Christmas, whispers of divine grace, a reminder of God's love revealed in Jesus' face.
Not just a holiday,